How to make coconut oil and sugar body scrub in 2 minutes. Need coconut oil, a container, brown sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now you're going to add coconut oil. Then mix the mixture together. Add another 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then you're going to mix it. Now you're going to add body wash. Mix it all together. Add another teaspoon of sugar. And just mix it. Now you're going to wipe the areas. Now I'm just writing here coconut oil and sugar body scrub. Now I'm going to stick it on top of the container. Here is the finished product and the results. This is how it turned out. It turned out really good at the end. These were the tips on how to make coconut oil and sugar body scrub. Like and subscribe for more how-to videos.